What's up guys, and today in this video I'm gonna explain you how the markets work and why the majority always loses money and why market makers actually squeeze the majority and leave only a small number of people, a tiny one, that might get some profits from the financial markets. And let's get started. At first, let me remind you about this website, investing.com, and that shares that I have already covered in one of my previous videos. You can also find them on this channel. But today I would like to elaborate into this chart and into the research that I've just made. And for now, I would like to share this research with you. I suppose that you might benefit from it as well if you will be listening me really carefully and very attentively. By the way, guys, this is not a financial advice, but you can still get some additional information that might improve your financial decisions on both stock market or cryptocurrency markets. So today I would like to show you this chart, which is S&P 500 speculative net positions. What does this chart show us? Actually, you can see that there are bars. Some of them are below zero and some of them are above zero. So what does it mean? When we see that this chart has a bar that is below zero, that means that there are much more short positions on the market than the long ones, and vice versa. If we see that there is a bar which is above zero, that means that there are more long positions rather than short ones. And today I would like to present you the research that I made regarding what is the relation between this chart and the chart of Bitcoin. Yes, you can say that Artem, that's S&P 500 speculative net positions. Why did you apply that to Bitcoin? In this case, I can tell you that I also want to show you that there is a direct correlation between cryptocurrency markets and stock markets. And as a homework, you can take this chart and apply it to S&P 500 if you want. For example, you can use SPX index on the TradingView, and then you can also see what the results will be. I can make a prediction. To be honest, I haven't made this research yet, but I'm absolutely sure that the figures will be approximately the same as I'm gonna show you for Bitcoin. For example, here guys, you can see that here, what did I do actually? I just looked at the peak values of short positions, and long positions. And I just put them on the chart. And here actually what I got. You can see here, red bars are the bars that represent the most amount of shorts, and the green ones represent long positions. So that means that, for example, at this point there were much more short positions than long ones, and that was a peak value on the chart that I have just showed you. And you can see, guys, that there is a direct correlation. When we see that the market declines, almost collapses, there is a red bar, which means that there are so many shorts that there can't be any more. Then there is a bull run. All these short positions get liquidated. When we reach the peak values, the majority opens long positions. Then we get into decline. Then there is a new peak. Yes, I'm talking about this period of time. The first peak and the second peak here. You can see long positions And of course, then everyone got squeezed. And then we saw that all long positions got liquidated. Let's move on. So, everyone bought here, got liquidated, then there was a consolidation, and here at this point there was the biggest amount of short positions. It was here. Okay. Then everyone got liquidated. You can see that there is a correlation between that chart and the chart of Bitcoin, which means that you can make forecasts based on that chart as well. Of course, that's not a financial recommendation for one more time, but you can just use it as a tool which might help you to make your own financial decisions. Actually, you can see how well it works. To be honest, I've never seen an indicator that would work so good as this chart. So then, in February 2028, the most long positions got liquidated. And now, guys, that's what I was preparing you for this red bar. Look at the chart. New all-time low from 2015. You can see that that index almost reached 400k, minus 400k, which is a new all-time low for this chart. Then make your own opinion on whether we'll go down or up. For now, you just have some more information to digest and to reconsider your investment strategy for the nearest future. If you ask for my personal opinion, I would open long positions. By the way, guys, that is why more than 80% of my portfolio is already gathered in coins. And of course, 20% of my portfolio I just leave for the opportunity that I might be wrong. There is always a probability that I might be wrong, because it's not a panacea. It won't work 100%. Of course, that's just an indicator, but I can make really precise decisions based on these indicators. It's just my opinion. And now, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think about this research, and write in the comments below if you're gonna make the same research but for S&P 500. By the way, here's the charts that you can use for doing that. And by the way, I've just opened it and I can make a small remark that you can see that there is a tremendous triangle with the bottom upside down, which in most cases get broken out in the upwards direction. So, make your own decisions and good luck. And I'll see you in the next video. And I really hope that you'll benefit from this video as much as you can. So, give this video a like if you really like this video and the research. Give it a dislike also if you didn't like the content. And write in the comments below what you think that I could improve in my videos. And you can also specify the ideas for the future videos. And I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.